Hey everyone, it's Linda from Living Linda Abroad, and today I've got important breaking news out of Portugal that directly affects expats, immigrants, golden visa holders, and anyone hoping to become Portuguese. If you'll remember, back in mid-November, the Socialist Party, the PS, sent the newly approved citizenship law directly to the Constitutional Court. That move froze the proposal immediately, meaning none of the new rules could take effect, and it kept the current 5-year residency rule safely in place while the court reviewed the law. Well, today, December 15th, 2025, the Constitutional Court has delivered its decision, and it's a big one. Let's break down exactly what happened, what the court decided, and what this means for you going forward. In 2025, Portugal's parliament passed major changes to its nationality rules. These included increasing the residency period for most non-EU CPLP residents, restricting automatic citizenship in some cases, and even introducing loss of nationality as a penalty for serious crimes. The reform was approved mainly by the governing coalition, including right-leaning parties like PSD and Chega, and it sparked a huge backlash from immigrant groups and opposition parties. The Socialist Party, PS, frustrated by the reforms, used a constitutional mechanism to send the law straight to the Constitutional Court for preventive review, meaning the law couldn't take effect until the court decided whether it was constitutional. Under Portuguese law, once the court gets such a request, it has 25 days to issue a ruling, which is exactly what happened. Today, the Constitutional Court ruled that key parts of the new nationality law are unconstitutional. That means they violate Portugal's constitution, and the law won't go forward as Parliament originally wrote it. Here are the major points the court found unconstitutional. Loss of nationality for certain crimes. The court said this penal provision treats people differently based on how they acquired citizenship, which violates the principle of equality. Longer residency and retroactive rules. The court said you can't change the rules in ways that unfairly hurt people with existing applications or expectations. Discriminatory criteria based on behavior or symbolic loyalty. Some norms that let authorities refuse nationality for subjective reasons were struck down too. In short, several of the major new provisions were rejected. And crucially, the law must go back to Parliament to be fixed. So what does this mean for expats, golden visa applicants, or anyone planning to become Portuguese? The controversial changes will not take effect in their current form. The court's ruling means Parliament must revise the law if it wants to try again. For now, the old nationality rules remain in force, or at least there's legal uncertainty until Parliament acts. This isn't just legal drama, it's a real-world impact on people's futures here. It protects people from abrupt changes they didn't expect. It preserves constitutional rights like equality, legal certainty, and fairness. It shows that even huge reforms by Parliament can be checked by the courts. Expats hoping for citizenship keep watching this space. The next step is what Parliament does in 2026. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next update when Parliament takes action. Tell me in the comments, how would these changes have affected your plans for Portuguese citizenship? I want to hear your story. Thanks for watching. I'm Linda, and I'll see you in the next update from Living Linda Abroad.